Umphathi omkhulu we-SIU Andy Mothibi uthi uphenyo mayelana namanzi angahlanzekile eHammanskraal eTshwane lubuye nezithelo ezinhle nosekholele ekutheni imeya imemezele ukuthi izakhamuzi sezinawo amanzi aphuzekayo.
We take into account that there has been progress now, that the mayor has pronounced that there's now water, there's drinkable water, but we are still duty bound to dive deep and say what was the cause, who was responsible, and whether there are consequence management that should be taken.
I-SIU ithi idolobha igoli langena ezivumelwaneni ezingekho emthethweni nomasipala imsukaligwa eMpumalanga kanye ne-Overberg eWestern Cape.
They entered into an agreement with Museligwa, which is a municipality in the Mpumalanga province. But what we found there that the contract was for 783,000. But the city of Johannesburg far exceeded that contract amount. And when our final figure, when we conducted the investigation it was over 8 million.
Ilungu le-MK yePhalamende liphakamise ukuthi kufanele i-SIU inikwe amandla okushushisa ukuze abenzi benkohlakalo bazosheshe beshushiswe bese beyavalelwa.
The SIU needs to prosecute. They need to be able to prosecute. Take these people, throw them in orange overalls. Simple.
Umothibi uthi i-SIU umsebenzi wayo ukweluleka uhulumeni kuphela ngemphumela yophenyo nangezinyathelo okufanele zithathwe. Okwenzeka emva kwalokho kungaphezulu kwamandla ayo.